Check this out, guys. We're on an old project that we did, interior house, coated the whole floor. But we wanted to come back. We're about a year and a few months from when we coated this floor. We always like to go back when we can. The day that we took before footage, so this was a before picture. This was February 8th, 2023. And then we have the after, right? And then we're gonna go to today's date. It is 2024, May 21st. All of our products are industrial grade. They're made to handle traffic, heavy equipment, long-term. And so we're a little over a year old. And what's cool about this project is this has a concrete subfloor, but then they have asbestos tile and glue that was down, VCT tile. And so older homes sometimes have that. So instead of bringing in a hazmat team or dealing with all that, we encapsulated the asbestos VCT tiles by using our prep replacement primer. So we didn't do any sanding. All we did was like a denatured alcohol clean on this floor, got the tiles clean, didn't create any dust. We put our prep replacement primer over it, flooded the floor with epoxy, so we encapsulated it by doing that. And then we broadcasted silica sand into the epoxy, which gave us a really solid base to apply a coating to. And then we installed our decorative concrete overlay floor kit. And then obviously we did some staining, some antiquing. And so this floor has a lot of cool depth to it. But what's awesome about coming back on projects is it just proves that these coatings last, that they're industrial grade. And it gives people peace of mind when they think about doing something like this, seeing something this old, how well it's held up. You know, it makes it a lot easier to make a decision to either go for this or not. And so obviously this would be the highest traffic area, would be your entryway, your kitchen. They got bar stools, tables. Typically you're gonna see on lower grade products, you're gonna see a bunch of scratch marks where they're pulling bar stools out. You're gonna see a bunch of scratch mark gouges, maybe the floor wearing down, not looking the same as everywhere else, where the chairs are, where the highest traffic areas are. And we don't see any difference in wear by this front entry into the kitchen. Obviously it's not perfectly clean, but still you can see how well this is held up being that old and in a real life setting, which is a house that's been lived in and everything. And so I'll have James go around, just get some shots. It's not a huge house, but it's a really cool project and it really shows how well our coatings hold up long-term.
I'm Tim Crumlin, one of the founders of Leggari Products. We spent the last 3 years building an extensive online training for the coating industry. It's called Leggari Academy. And the best part, it's affordable. But trust me, affordable doesn't mean cheap. It took over 20,000 man hours and over $500,000 to create. There's absolutely not a better training anywhere for the coating industry. It doesn't exist. But it's not just the training. See, Leggari Products offers unparalleled support long after the training as you build your business. Here at our headquarters, we've kind of made it really clear to everyone, we're only successful if we can make you successful. So put us to the test. Join the Academy today and get a partner that actually cares about your success. Welcome to the Academy.